Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a topic that can affect people both physically and emotionally, Dowager's hump. But don't worry, we're not just going to talk about it, we're going to show you what you can do to try and prevent or reduce the progression. So sit up straight, and before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button. First, let's understand what Dowager's hump is. It's important to note that the upper back should have a normal kyphosis or rounding of the mid-back at the level between the shoulder blades. What differentiates the Dowager's hump is that it is a condition that causes an abnormal curvature at the base of the neck, creating a noticeable hump in the upper thoracic spine. It's often associated with age, but the truth is it can happen at any stage of life. Daily postures, genetics, and even certain injuries can make this worse. And although it's usually not associated with a lot of pain, it can have an impact psychologically, as some people worry more about the aesthetics than anything else. Well, today I'm going to give you a few different things that you can do to help reduce or prevent a Dowager's hump. First off, let's talk posture during the day. While seated, bring the screen up higher to eye level. If you're using a laptop, try getting a monitor that will help you avoid looking down at the screen. If you're on a phone a lot during the day, be mindful of the position you are in, as the further your head goes forward, the more strain there is in the surrounding area. For example, when your head's in a normal neutral position, there's about 10 to 12 pounds of neck strain. At 30 degrees, bending forward, it increases to 40 pounds of neck strain. At 60 degrees, you will have the equivalent of 60 pounds of neck strain. So it's important to sit up straight. Finally, with kids on their phones and tablets, set them up on the couch or on a bed and have them on their tummy so that their head and neck are in a proper position. Here are some exercises that you can do at home to help prevent or reduce the Dowager's hump. The first exercise is wall extensions with your elbows up overhead. The second is deep neck flexors. And the third is child pose with scapular raises. Finally, sleeping position is important and not to be overlooked. If you do have a Dowager's hump and you notice you stack the pillows under your head, avoid doing this. Instead, use one pillow to support your neck, but keep in mind you do not want to extend the neck to compensate for this. I hope this video helps, as well as the tips within the video to give you some action steps to help reduce your Dowager's hump.